my love? Ay, thank you. What's this? This from duty free. Is this? What's that? Mozzarella di Bopala. This is a cheese.
Mozzarella buffalo, half a kilo.
Half a kilo. This mozzarella is that from the Italy then?
Must be from Italy.
Thank you. That is, you buy this in duty free.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's your present.
Thank you. There's chocolate.
No, it's like nougat stuff.
Turusini ripini all pandi sa pana insapado dilik kukurar blah blah blah. Thank you. I open that one. No, it's not. But it's okay. Because I thought you buy the one, the separate one. That's the mozzarella cheese from Italy. I like that.
How big that is.
Oh yeah.
Put it in the fridge.
How much is that like that? 10 euros. Is that quite expensive there than in Prap?
No, that cheese is expensive. Buffalo mozzarella is expensive.
Mozzarella. This one. How to open this? That chocolate, isn't it? Nougat.
It is a sweet though.
Have that one before. What's that done, friend? That's from Italy. Another collection. Alcohol.
Liqueur.
A liqueur.
That's what they made in the local region.
In Italy.
In the region we went to, that's a local
I see. Establimento, blah 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 blah. Where's my pizza? Pizza from Italy. What's that?
It's a bit warm.
Oh, it's a big worm.
It's a bit warm.
Eyeglass from Italy, is it?
It's a bit warm.
Istrica. What's that mean, Istrica?
It's like a witch region.
I see. This is for the shots.
So that's the glass.
Then
It
the
goes
shots.
with that.
Yeah.
It's a bit warm though. It came from the restaurant.
Oh, really? Oh, you pop in the restaurant then?
After we finished doing the work yesterday, the man took us to the restaurant
Yeah.
and said, "Oh, you need to try this liqueur."
Is that nice?
These glasses.
Is that nice one?
And so I said, "Can I have the glass?" He said, "Yeah, that's fine. Take the glass."
Really?
Yeah, so it's just glass. So I thought it was a nice souvenir.
Oh, yeah.
So then I thought better get some liqueur to go with the glass.
So you buy that one there,
bought
and then
that one.
yeah, you bought that one, then they will give that to you.
No, this came from the restaurant, not from the warehouse.
Oh,
This is the same, supposed to be made with the same stuff.
okay.
Right, so I've not tried that. I'll put that here to see what before we use it.
Thank you. Yeah, I got my presents from Italy. Ayan, I got presents from Italy, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Got
Wanna try one?
yeah, I got pasalubong, guys, galing sa Italy. Galing sa Italy. Parang nakakalasing. We can get drunk.
See, I brought you presents home because I did think about you.
Thank you. It's nice.
Not the eyes was